Oh, hello there. Chromebook Ninja here. Now I love freedom of expression, but when it comes to Chromebook etiquette, I don't mess around, and neither should you. You will be assigned a Chromebook to help you be a better student, and let's face it, a better human. So you will treat it like a soft baby bird. That's better. So you might be thinking to yourself, what can I put on my Chromebook? All of my school books? A set of weights? Maybe a potted plant? No, genius. The Chromebook is not a shelf, stand, or rack. So the answer is D, none of the above. Now say you're getting kind of hungry, so you're gonna get yourself a big soda and a sandwich. Should the Chromebook be part of that dining experience? Well, since you're going to have to pay for any food or drink damage done to the Chromebook, I'm gonna say stow that Chromebook away until the fiery ire of your hunger is quenched. I know, it's schoolwork. It's frustrating. But remember, this is your baby bird, so let's keep our cool. Don't slam it, throw it, or crush it. Your parents will thank you for that. And don't forget, before you go to bed, always plug in your Chromebook. Nice. Nighty-night. Now, as much as I like that, the viewers at home do not. Make sure that when you customize your Chromebook, you use only appropriate stickers, like this one. There, that's more your speed. And one more thing. Never, ever leave your Chromebook unattended. That's just inexcusable. If it does get stolen, you'll be the one paying for it. Now let's review. Treat your Chromebook like a baby bird. Don't put stuff on it. Don't eat or drink near it. Don't get angry at it. Don't cram it in dark, cluttered spaces. Don't walk around with it open. Don't leave it unattended. And don't defile it with explicit content. There, that's easy. Oh, and if you forget any of these things, just ask yourself, would my mom be okay with just buying me a new Chromebook? Then act accordingly. Nice work, campers. Till next time, this is Chromebook Ninja saying so long. Bye-bye now.